Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 16th, 2025, we have 3 puzzles already solved. The 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and a binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number 9919. And before I start, I always count printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. That's a lot for a Jigsaw Sudoku, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 17, but the publisher has indicated this puzzle with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle we need 30 minutes or more. Well, I don't think it's a 4 stars, maybe a 0 stars. 0 stars, I need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. Well, we'll see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only 1 single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? I see only 1, nope, 2 dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. The 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here, 1 and a 2, do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple box? I see here a triple box, contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 3 is already given, so the 1 and 2 are left. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 in the same area, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? No quadra boxes here. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope, only 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape rotated? When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Yeah, another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Oh, overlook this one. That one upside down. Well, this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Okay, now we have all the shapes, and yeah, now we have all the shapes and all those. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 4. These two boxes can be a 2. So 2 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5 is connected with that box. So 3 and the 5. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then these two boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Then. Let me see. Come on. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Well, this box can be 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 supposed to be here and the 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3, and this one is connected with that box, should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. That means that this box can be a 4. We have a 4 here. So the only place left for 4 is supposed to be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Let me think. 1, no, it's 2. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. And this box can also not be a 1. We have a double 1 over here. So the only place left for the 1 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. 1 and 2, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then let me see. These two boxes give me 1, so 1 box left and 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this area. From numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be there and is connected with that box. So 3. 3 or 5, we have 3 now, so this box should be a 5. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Almost finished. These two boxes can be a 5. These two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape. Supposed to be there. These two boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape. Supposed to be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 4 and the 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finished in 11 minutes. Told you, should be a 0 stars with 17 printed digits. Not a 4, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. 0 stars. And we solve it again. We solve again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow on Friday. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye. For now.